Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nina, and today we are diving into one of my favorite things ever, thrifting and DIY makeovers. I found this little gem at my local thrift store for just $3.99. In today's video, I'm giving this thrifted find a total glow up, transforming it into a vintage rustic beauty that looks like it came straight out of an antique shop. So get cozy and grab a snack. To accomplish this project, I will be using some baking powder, acrylic paint in the colors territorial beige, melted chocolate, and black. This paint that I purchased at the Home Depot in the color toasted almond, a paintbrush and a paint stick, a plate, gloves, and paper towels. To get started, I mixed a little bit of baking soda with the toasted almond paint. The baking soda gives it that nice textured ceramic-like finish. Once it's all mixed, just start brushing it on in light, even strokes. Don't worry if it looks streaky at first. It starts to come together as it dries. I ended up doing 3 coats in total to really build up that beautiful texture finish. After each coat, I let it bake in the sun for about 20 to 30 minutes. Not only does it help the paint dry faster, but it also gives the finish a slightly more matte and weathered look. By the 3rd coat, you can really see the subtle texture and earthy tone coming through. Once that first coat of toasted almond has completely dry and set, I moved on to adding dimension with the darker colors. These deeper earthy tones are perfect for creating that aged layered look. To make the layering look more natural, I added a little bit of each color onto a plate and mixed in just a touch of water to dilute the paint. This gives it more of a washed effect, which helps the colors blend and settle into the texture without looking too harsh. I started with the color territorial beige by lightly dabbing the paint into small sections. This technique creates that really soft aged patina like it's naturally worn over time. I went back in with a bit of the toasted almond and lightly brushed it over the areas where the colors looked too heavy and abrupt. This helped blend everything together. Then I went in with melted chocolate for some depth and shadow. Finally, I added just a tiny bit of black to really make it look time-worn and rustic. And here are the final results. I am so happy with the outcome and love how this makeover gives a timeless vintage feel to my crock. I displayed it with some kitchen wood utensils on my kitchen countertop. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video and were inspired to get creative. If you enjoyed this transformation, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly DIYs and thrift flips. Hit the bell so you never miss a project and let me know in the comments if you try this technique with any of your vases. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye friends!